can't quit parking around here. You can't do it.
Todd, I don't think that he was the one out here installing it.
Do I need to move on?
Benny's rolling down the street now, man. He's got the 8-inch on the bucket. I'm be glad we have a one that has an A license that can actually go get the vehicle. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, I'm not getting mine.
Well, all the SEOs here, none of them, they can transport it, but they can't run the machine.
I ain't doing that. I ain't doing it anymore around here. I don't get.
Oh my God!
Appreciation of what I do.
The violin's coming out now.
Well, you know
I
it,
like
Jeff.
these cute little cones.
Well, you know it,
They're
Jeff,
adorable.
man.
It's like your kids would be skateboarding in between you and shit.
I do way too much around here, and I don't get appreciated.
I appreciate you, so you better stop running your mouth.
Well, you might be the only one.
Well, whatever.
Todd, you know I love you.
But the one that...
When I go home at night and I talk about you, Todd, to Dina, all it is, man, Todd's totally underrated.
But you know it doesn't matter what you think. There's only one
It does
person
matter.
that matters. Yeah, but it only matters to one person, and
Well,
he
who
don't...
cares about that one person?
Well, that one person decides, you know, what I get and what I don't get.
What are you doing for the pull-up, anything?
Hopefully calming down.
Doing anything?
Probably just...
Yeah, two or what?
I got two now. 1,200.
So where's Tim anyhow if he's asking me so much?
Where have you been, that's
Green Key,
where's that?
right off of Main Street. You know where the park is?
Yeah.
Okay, before you get out to the park, there's places where you can drive on the side. As soon as you drop in, full door, you don't have no waiting there.
What do you go up?
Oh, you can go out, you can go down around the bend, there's a little beach there, you can go down to Ancloak, the smokestack stuff there.
I'm sorry, I just assisted him loading up.
Laid over here tonight.
Should have gone down. My fault.
Well, I mean, you know where I'm
Round
at.
30, 30.
Yeah, I know.
30, 35. On the number right here.
Alright, I need you to move. Put the can up here. You're gonna turn around, straight pick up.
I'm in the way right now.
No, he's gonna come around the corner behind.
What's that?
He's gonna come right there where the cones are at.
How's this? Good job.
You're probably gonna bring that back a little farther.
It's tough.
Out here so he can dig.
The typical stereotype county worker.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's true. It's even better when one guy's in the hole and everybody else is standing around with
Everybody's
shovels.
looking down.
Yeah.
How you doing down there?
You be down there digging and everybody else is standing around going, oh, yeah.
Which way's he going?
Oh, we already did that though.
Oh, okay.
Missed it.
It's a circle, Todd.
Is it vicious? Is it vicious? I love it. Oh, there it goes, back in the hole. Woo! Hey, don't forget that soda can. No, we don't want
Do away with the sidewalk, or you gonna try to cut out a rapid? I'm taking out here first. This section right here. I'll back here. See if I can just take one section of that. I hope I don't have to go back another section. If I do, that's two sidewalks. We have to take 5 foot out. We're gonna help me here. Get over the 10 section. Fell down.
Hey, what about the man? What do you want to do about that?
We're gonna have to go inside the manhole.
Pull it right through?
We'll get on in. Do a hammer tap.
You know there's a pretty good flush on the through this, right?
He's gonna be something up. Right up.
You gotta come up in order for us to get
We're
them
definitely
up.
gonna have to get involved and at least take a look at what they want us to do with them. Who is that?
That's what happened. They pushed the gravity down.
Probably been like that for 8 years. Tip your bucket out a little bit.
Come on to me. Scoop.
Curl it.
Scoop it out. As long as you don't kill me with it.
Don't move too quick.
Yeah, don't move too quick.
I think you'll be
Where's the other?
Where's the other coming out here? Like, who do we need to call?
Don't move too quick.
There's 2 lines right beside. Where's the gravity line?
Right here.
Right here. Where's the top of the box?
You gotta have to excavate so you can take a picture.
I seen water, so I think they went through it.
Oh, they did. The pipe's right there.
That's what I thought. Yeah, I thought I seen.
It's this far from the bottom.
See, he's on it there.
That's our gravity? No way.
We just gotta get the home. It's patched. It's off the top.
It looks like it's patched. Look. That's We gotta get this son of a gun exposed.
Okay, back out of there. Back out.
Get another scoop.
Yeah, I'm gonna have him take the scoop back there. Right there's the main.
Come on, Ray. Oh, here it comes too, man. Look at it right there.
Okay, get out of there. Show him where the other. Okay, right there. Put your shovel there.
Okay.
Nice. Okay, move your shovel.
Let me get out of here. We're not going to be able to pick them up.
No, we're not. Something's gonna happen. We can't do that.
We got to get the gravity system going.
How are we gonna get that when they're pushing down on
Figure
it?
out what we got here. If we have to, we can just cut the goddamn pipe on the end, get them something to get it flowing, and let the upper management go deal with it. Use this, man.
We had a camera go all the way through.
No, I haven't done anything. When I was gonna run the truck, I wanted to make sure we ran the truck, so I'd have enough stuff.
I'm just saying to check it to reconfirm, but I know we stuck the camera in here, it's not connected. It's just a personal box.
What's underneath this side? The piece that dropped down, is it flowing into the main?
It's just about that much of the top is going into the main, just what's flowing on top. You don't think we can go underneath that? I don't think so, because there's a 4-inch line. And we've dropped those are just cable in there, correct?
Do that in this too, man. What he's doing, take a picture in here and this way too.
Or you have
Got to get down in there. Get down in there and take a picture. No, I want to have him. No, he can take. Wait a minute. Oh. He can take another screw back in this too. No, come in. Hey, get rid of this. And have him go down right before the pipe and get rid of this too.
You backing up some? How much shuffle?
Get rid of that too.
I don't.
Cut the water off.
Just shut the water.